going to tell you 7 side income ideas that you can do while you are a student, while continuing with your studies, while you are in college, continuing with your preparation. And we are starting right now. Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Taha Khan. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share with you clinic and exam related productivity tips and strategies. If this is your first time here, start now by subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss anything. Okay, so the reason why I thought of making a video on this topic is because few months back I had already uploaded a video on a very similar topic. The name of the video was Medical Entrepreneurs and Why Can't Doctors Be Entrepreneurs? Or even doctorpreneurship. This was the name of the video. You can find on my YouTube channel. So the response that this video received was amazing. It was enormous. It had already received around 40k views, and the comments, the most important thing about the video, and there were so many comments in this video, students and people saying that how they want to be an entrepreneur and they are in their first year BHMS or first year MBBS doing in their medical colleges, and how they want to become an entrepreneur. They want to do this, they want to open a clinic, they want to open a diagnostic center, and new ideas. They like, if you go through the comment section, and so many comments asking me कि can you suggest me कि अभी मैं first year में हूँ या second year में हूँ या internship में हूँ, so along with this, along with managing my college life, how can I start something this? मतलब they were asking me, so that was the reason that motivated me कि इस topic पे एक video बनाया जाए बहुत अच्छे से, where you can do a lot of things that are very relevant in today's time, in 2022. And before I start with these 7 side income ideas that I have jotted down here, I want all of you to comment your profession in the comment section, because I believe that most of the viewers of my videos are doctors and students. They belong to the medical profession, but still I want to know कि अगर कोई medical profession से नहीं है तो किस profession से है, so that in future I will be able to make videos on topics that are very relevant to you. So kindly comment your profession in the comment section. The first thing that you can do is make a study blog. And ये चीज़ मुझे कुछ टाइम पहले ही पता चला, and I found it to be very interesting. See, you are in your first year, or whether you are preparing for any exam, जैसे कि आप PG में एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, या फिर किसी जॉब एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, या इवन अगर आप यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम के लिए फर्स्ट ईयर सेकेंड ईयर फाइनल एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, यू मेक अ वीडियो ऑन हाउ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग, लाइक योर एंटायर डे, कि आप किस तरह से प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो. लाइक सपोज इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर अ मेडिकल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम, सो हाउ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग, किस टाइम में आप उठ रहे हो, व्हाट इज योर रूटीन इन द मॉर्निंग, कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स आप पढ़ रहे हो इन द मॉर्निंग, कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स को आप कितना वेटेज दे रहे हो, कितना टाइम दे रहे हो, उसके बाद आप ब्रेक कितना ले रहे हो, आप ब्रेकफास्ट में कितना देर आप ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हो, उसके बाद व्हाट आर द सब्जेक्ट्स यू आर स्टडिंग आफ्टर द ब्रेकफास्ट अंटिल नून, फिर नून के बाद आप क्या रूटीन है आपका, मींस फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग व्हेन यू वेक अप अंटिल यू स्लीप. ये पूरा एंटायर रूटीन का यू कैन मेक अ स्टडी ब्लॉग एंड अपलोड इट ऑन यूट्यूब, ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, बिकॉज देयर आर स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव योर जूनियर्स. तो जूनियर्स वांट टू नो कि हमारे सीनियर्स कैसे करके पढ़ के एग्जाम क्रैक कर रहे हैं, या व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट नीड्स टू बी डन. एंड इसमें कोई बहुत ज्यादा डिस्टर्बेंस भी नहीं होगा इन योर प्रिपरेशन, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन योर स्टडीज. सो इसमें कुछ नहीं करना है, यू जस्ट ओपन अप योर कैमरा, मोबाइल कैमरा ओपन कर लो एंड रिकॉर्ड एवरीथिंग दैट यू आर स्टडिंग. यू आर मेकिंग नोट्स, वो चीज लिख लो. सो जूनियर्स क्या है ना कि वो सीनियर्स को देखना चाहते हैं कि हाउ दे आर प्रिपेयरिंग, बिकॉज एट सम पॉइंट इन देयर लाइफ दे विल ऑल्सो बी डूइंग द सेम थिंग. उनको भी उस एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है. सो दे वॉन्ट टू नो इन एंड आउट एवरीथिंग कि हमें किस टाइम में क्या पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए, उसमें कितना टाइम देना चाहिए, उसको किस तरह से पढ़ना चाहिए. सो इफ यू कैन मेक अ वीडियो ऑन दिस, यू कैन हैव अ लॉट ऑफ व्यूअर्स, एंड वंस a lot of viewers starts following your channel, starts following your profile, you can always monetize these audiences, and that can be a very nice side income that you can have. And speaking of audience, that brings us to our second point, which is build an online audience. And you see, abhi ke time mein having an audience is purely gold. It is a digital asset, and once you have a huge audience, you can monetize these audience in so many ways. Like if you search on Google how to monetize my audience, you will get 1,000 ways where you will be able to monetize your audience. Like you can go for affiliate marketing. Second, you can build an online course of yours, and you can ask these people to subscribe to your course, and a lot of these people who follows you, who loves you, will go and subscribe to these courses. you can get sponsorships, you can make a product and sell to your people because you already have an audience. You just need to monetize these audience. But remember, building an audience will take time, and not just building an audience. All these 7 points that I will be talking in this video, ये कोई भी shortcut way मैं नहीं बता रहा हूँ कि overnight you will be able to learn a lot of money through these side incomes. These will take time. Building an audience will take time because you see, when anyone watches your video, when anyone listens to you, they are giving their time. So you need to give value to their time. You need to provide value from where they can benefit. And when you are able to do that, people will join you. People will start following you. And slowly, your audience will continue growing. The third point is online teaching. And if you can teach well, and I'm not talking about teaching in a classroom or in an auditorium because a lot of us will find that difficult. But बहुत easy हो जाता है हम लोगों के लिए, and a lot of us can do this कि अगर किसी juniors को पढ़ाना पड़े तो we find it very easy because juniors को पढ़ाना easy है, and secondly उनका जो topics है वो हमारा already पढ़ा होता है, so we know what are the topics that are important, what are the questions that comes from those topics, from those subjects. So teaching a junior is easy. So what you can do is make an online course of whatever subject you are teaching your junior. You can make an online course of that subject and put it up on online platforms like Udemy. ऐसा बहुत सारे platforms है. Udemy है, Skillshare है, Unacademy है, and so there are so many platforms. You can utilize these platforms for your benefits. And you can charge a very nominal fees for your courses, जैसे 500,000 rupees if you charge. And अगर month में 10 juniors भी ये online course को purchase कर लिए, subscribe कर लिए, then ये 5,000 to 10,000 rupees का income हो गया. And that is a significant side income while you are studying, while you are in your college. And the important thing about this is not just these 5,000, 10,000 of income per month. The important thing कि ये income हमेशा generate होता रहेगा. Even while you have left your college, you are in your job, because you have made something, you have made an asset and you have put it up. Juniors आएंगे, purchase course करेंगे, and you will be having this regular income throughout your life. You are not trading your time with money. So this way you can have a very nice side income by teaching online. And there are few websites जैसे कि shek.com, bartleby.com. I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it right or not, or this is the correct pronunciation, but chegg.com and bartleby.com. So these websites क्या है ना कि these websites connect you with international students, and what you can do through these websites is you can help these international students with their homework, and in return these websites also pay you. So you can also have a side income through these online teachings. The fourth idea for side income is cloud kitchen. Now if you love cooking and if you can cook well, because ये skill तो मुझ में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, but if you have this skill, then you can take this skill to an altogether whole new level. इसको करना बहुत कोई difficult नहीं है. इसमें करना क्या होता है कि you just cook things from your home. You don't have to own a restaurant. You don't have any liabilities in this regard. You just cook things, you make them delicious dishes and then list it on Zomato and Swiggy, and they take care of everything. So and अगर if just जो अभी बात कर रहे थे कि if you have an audience, so you can always direct your, this is your product, you can always direct your audience to buy your products, and a lot of your audience will buy your product because they have been following you, they have been loving you. So this is one side income idea. This cloud kitchen का जो concept है ना, this I really find fascinating. The next side income idea in our list is a website or an app developer. Now if you can build a website, if you can build an app, if you can develop an app, then you are a real gem in today's time. And वो app कोई भी हो सकता है, be it native app या फिर React app. तो if you know how to code, if you know JS, if you know these languages, Swift, then you can have a very decent income alongside your studies while in your college. Because अभी पिछले 1 साल 2 साल में a lot of businesses and small businesses have gone online, or at least a part of their business have gone online. So these people require people like you who can build websites for them. Like अगर मैं अपनी बात करूँ तो I own क्लिनिक का एक वेबसाइट, 2 वेबसाइट, कोचिंग की एक वेबसाइट, कोचिंग का एक ऐप, एंड 2-3 वेबसाइट्स ऑलरेडी डेवलपमेंट में है. सो अभी के टाइम में वेबसाइट एंड ऐप डेवलपर बहुत ज्यादा डिमांड में है. सो दैट वाज पॉइंट नंबर 5. पॉइंट नंबर 6 इज ए कंटेंट राइटर. अभी हम लोगों ने वेबसाइट्स के बारे में बात करा. सो ऑल दीज वेबसाइट्स need content and there are a lot of people like me. अभी जैसे मैं वीडियो शूट कर रहा हूँ, this is a piece of content. So there are a lot of people like me who are producing content, who are creating content, and all of these people need a content writer जो अच्छा content लिख सके, plagiarism free, अच्छा content, good quality content. And if you can do this, then you can connect to all these content creators and blog sites जहाँ पे अच्छे contents requirement है. And if you can do this, then you can approach all these websites, blogging websites, and provide them with the content, and in return, you will also get paid for it. The next point is affiliate marketing. And if I need to explain you affiliate marketing in very brief, then suppose I share a link to you, an Amazon link to you of this mouse. When you click on that link and you buy this mouse, Amazon will pay me certain amount because I have helped Amazon sell this product. And this product has been sold through me. You have bought this product because I have sent you the link. So college life में and daily life में भी we share so many links of so many products at so many different sites. And Amazon is one thing that I am saying because Amazon में बहुत सारे customers हैं जो Amazon के through buy कर रहे हैं. So what you can do is create affiliate link. Now affiliate link भेजने के लिए ना you have to join an affiliate program जो बहुत सारे major sites में होते हैं, Flipkart में होते हैं, Amazon में होते हैं, सब जगह ही होते हैं, almost सब जगह होते हैं. So Amazon Associate Program एक होता है, you join that, and after that whenever you share a link, you will get an option to share it as an affiliate or an associate. So you instead of sharing the Amazon product link, you share the link of your associate. So वो product के साथ ना that link will also contain your code, which will identify whether anyone has bought that product using your code. And when this happens, Amazon will pay you. So ऐसे करके you can make quite some money. Of course ये बार-बार तो possible नहीं है कि किसी को associate या affiliate link भेजते रहें. ये थोड़ा annoying लगेगा. So what a lot of people do, they create websites, or if they have an audience. Just now we were talking about building an audience, and there are tons of ways to monetize those audience. And one point that I spoke about was affiliate marketing. And so if you have that audience and you refer a product, suppose I am using a tripod to shoot this video. Now a lot of you might be curious कि मैं कौन सा light use करता हूँ, which light, what light do I use, what tripods I use, what camera I use. So if I put those affiliate links in the video, then a lot of viewers might click that link and few might even end up buying. So that way I will also end up making a few money for myself. So that was point number 7, affiliate marketing. So these were the side income ideas that I wanted to discuss in this video. Now you need to find out, you need to understand whether you want to build an asset जिससे long term पैसा आएगा, or you want to rent your time which will give you short term money. Now of course if you are building an asset that will take time, but if you want to earn short money, and बहुत सारे cases में this is a requirement that I need money right now because कुछ ज़रूरत है, तो यू कैन गो फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म, जैसे कंटेंट राइटिंग, ये सब शॉर्ट टर्म पैसे के लिए सही है. एंड दिस वोंट गिव यू, एक बार जो कंटेंट लिख दिया दैट विल गो ऑन मेकिंग मनी फॉर यू, चांसेस आर लेस कि ऐसा होगा. बट इफ यू हैव मेड एन ऑनलाइन कोर्स or you have built a website, you have built an app that makes money, so this thing will go on continuing forever. So all these side income ideas that I were discussing in this video, these are not for any particular field. कोई भी कर सकता है, कोई भी स्टूडेंट, चाहे आपका बैकग्राउंड कोई सा भी बैकग्राउंड हो, बीटेक का हो, लॉ का हो, मेडिकल का हो, anyone can do this. But if you want me to make a video especially for medical students, all these startup ideas only for medical students or business ideas only for medical students, then let me know in the comments below. If I receive enough comments on this particular topic, then I'll surely think of making a video on it. So let's wrap up. Let me know how you like the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.